Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix "This app can't open on Windows 11." Start by closing the app that shows the error. Right-click on the taskbar and open Task Manager. Find the app in the list, right-click it, and click End Task. After that, try opening the app again. If it still does not open, restart your computer. A simple reboot can clear temporary problems that stop apps from opening properly. Next, make sure Windows is fully updated. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and check for updates. If updates are available, download and install them. Many app issues are fixed through system updates, so this step is very important. After the update finishes, restart your PC and test the app again. If the problem is with a Microsoft Store app, reset the store cache. Press the Windows key and R together to open the Run box. Type WS Reset and press Enter. A blank window will appear for a few seconds. Wait until it closes by itself and the Microsoft Store opens. This clears cache data that can block apps from opening. If the app still shows the error, repair or reset it. Right-click the Start button and go to Installed Apps. Scroll through the list and find the app that does not open. Click the three dots next to it and choose Advanced Options. First, click Repair and wait for the process to finish. Try opening the app again. If it still fails, go back to the same screen and click Reset. This will restore the app to its default state. As a final step, reinstall the app. In Installed Apps, select the app and uninstall it. Restart your PC after uninstalling. Then open the Microsoft Store, search for the app, and install it again. Once installed, open the app, and the error should be fixed in most cases. Thanks for watching.